A much requested feature in Google Photos now works. Searching, and only searching, albums. So instead of getting results from across your entire library, you are looking for an album. Up till now, it hasn't been possible to search just within albums. Now it is, but there's a little catch. So I go to Google Photos, and here is the regular search. It's now called Ask, and it is an AI-powered type of search. And I can search for mom. And it will give me hundreds, thousands of pictures that have my mother in them. I have identified mom in the faces groupings. Okay, but I just want to see albums that I've made. So what you do is you go to collections, and by the way, this is only available on mobile devices. It does not yet work on the computer web version of Google Photos. So I go to collections and albums, and notice that there is now the little search magnifying glass icon up at the top. I tap search and I type mom, and I can tap search, and there are literally, I have made dozens of albums that have mom in the title. That's the little catch. I am not getting every album that has my mom's face in it. I am just getting albums with mom in the title. So, for example, if I searched, just plain search, ask for mom in Alaska, I will get lots of photos. And if I tap on one of those photos, here's one of mom gold panning for gold in Alaska. On the Android, if I swipe up on that, I will see that that photo is included in 3 different albums. But if I search albums for mom in Alaska, I will not get those because the word mom is not in the title. So just to prove that, I'll go back. How do you search just albums? You tap collections, albums, and then search. And if I search mom in Alaska, I will get no results of albums because it's only searching the title. But still, this is a pretty cool new feature, something that a lot of people have wanted. I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour.